third one, which number is, we have to find the number. So what number we have to find? 5439 less than this. Less than what number? 8735. So what number will come if we minus this number? Means less. Less means minus. What number will come? So indirectly he is asking subtraction. So this is the minute and this is the subtrahend. So if we make minus less than this much, so from this, then what number will come? So then first we have to take 8735. Next 5439. So less means minus. Then we have to take borrow from here. This is ones, tens, 100 and 1000. So 110 we are taking 2 tens left. 110 means 10 ones. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 minus 9 means 10 to 15 we have to count. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 6. 2 minus 3. Minute is less. Again we take borrow from the next place. 100 we want to take borrow, here 6 hundreds left. 100 makes 10 tens. 10 plus 2, 12. We will get 12. 12 minus 3 means from 4 to 12 we have to count. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Total 9. 6 minus 4. No need to take borrow. So just to make minus. 5, 6, 2. 8 minus 5 means 6 to 8 we have to count. 6, 7, 8, 3. 3296. 3296. If you make this much less from this number, then we will get this number, that is 3296. Then this question also same, less. If you make 1000 less from this number, then what number will come? So we have to make minus. 1,58,754. So how much to make less? 1000. 1000 is the subtrahend. Then minus. This is a ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place and lakhs place. 4 minus 0. 4 minus 0 is 4. 0 is minus from any number, so then we will get the same number only. So this is the rule in subtraction, it is there. 5 minus 0 is 5. Then 7 minus 0 is 7. 8 minus 1. 8 is a bigger, no need to take borrow. So we have to count from 2 to 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total how much? 7. And in this row 5 is there, 5 as it is. In this column 1 is there 1. 1,57,754. This number we will get. 1,57,754. This we will get. Next. The next question. 150 less than the smallest 5 digit number. 5 digit smallest number. 5 digit smallest number. What is the 5 digit smallest number? 5 digit is asking. First we want to take 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. First we have to take 4 zeros, then after that you keep 1. So this is the 5 digit smallest number. In this way we have to write whatever it is given. 6 digit, 7 digit, 8 digit, 100 digit, 1000 digit, whatever is given. If 1000 digit is given, so you take 99 zeros and after that keep 1. So that is the smallest 1000 digit. In the same way, in the 5 digit means we have to take from right to left 4 zeros and after that we have to keep 1. Then you will get smallest number. then less 150 less than 10,000 means less than 10,000 and 150. 150 we have to keep like this. Don't keep from here, from lakhs place. So you keep from hundreds, tens and ones. This is ones, this is tens and this is hundred. This is ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place. Now 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 4. 0 is a smaller number, so no need, not possible to take. So first we have to take from here. Here you will get 10. Here you will get 10. Again from here you are getting 9. Here you are getting 10. Again from here 9. Here 10. Again here 9. No, till here only we need. So already we discussed how it will get 10 in the previous sums. All if zeros are there, how it will change. We show in second question. In first bit, second question we did. Then 10 minus 5. 10 minus 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 5. 9 minus 1 means 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is 8. Then here 9. Here nothing. 9,850. This is our answer. If you get 150 less from 5 digit smaller number, then you will get 9,850. 9,850. Next question. Fourth question. What must be added to this 5,396 to get 52,953? Here added is given. It doesn't mean that we add, so addition is there. No. If suppose 9 is there, 9 is a number. If what we add to 9, then we will get 10. Then what we have to do here? If what we have to add to 9, then we will get 10. Then 10 minus 9 we have to do. 10 minus 1 we have to do. That is 1. If 1 is added to 9, then we will get 10. So we have to first understand the meaning of the question first. Here add is given, just we are going and adding. No, it is not correct. First you understand the question, what is asking. What must be added? What must be added to this to get this number? So what must be added to 9 to get 10? What must be added to 9 to get 10 means 10 minus 9. 10 minus 9, the bigger number minus smaller number. So that is 1. So here also same, but number we changed. So we have to make minus. First we have to make bigger number. 52,953. Then 5,369. Then what we have to do? Minus. Make minus. Then you take borrow from here. Why? Because here minus is less. Minus is less. Take borrow here. 4 will get. Here 10 plus 3, 13 will get. 13 minus 9. 9 means from 10 to 13. 10, 11, 12, 13. 4. 4 minus 6. Minus is less. Again you take borrow from list. Here it will decrease by 1. It will increase by 10. 10 plus 4, 14. Then 7 to 14. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Total 8. 8 minus 3 means 5 to 8 we have to count. 5, 6, 7, 8. Therefore, from 4 to 8 minus 3 means from 4 to 8 we have to count. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5. 2 minus 5, So we have to take borrow from the next. It will decrease by 1, it will increase by 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 minus 5 means 6 to 12 we have to count. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It is 7. Here 47,584. If we add 47,584 to which number? 5,369. Then we get 52,953. This is the answer. Students, here in the next question given, what must be subtracted from this to get 456? 456. What must be subtracted? He is asking. What must be subtracted to get? Means we have to subtract. What must be subtracted? So it means this is the minute and this is the difference. Minute and difference is given. If he asking subtrahend, then we make minus. From where? From minute to the difference. Then you will get subtrahend. Here, what is the minute? 53,876. Next, 456. We have to write like this, 456. So we start from hundreds place. This is ones, this is tens, this is 100, this is 1000, this is 10,000. 6 minus 6, same number minus same number. The answer is 0. 7 minus 5 means this is the bigger, minute is bigger. No need to take borrow or regrouping. 6 and 7, it is 2. 8 minus 4 means 5 to 8 we have to count. 5, 6, 7, 8, it is 4. And this 3 and this 5. 53,420 right here. If we subtract 53,420 from which 53,876, then we get 456. 400. This answer we will get. Okay. So in this form, the last conclusion step, we have to write a conclusion step also. Next, from the sum of these two, subtract 4,913. First we have to add these two. From the sum means we have to add these two. Sum of 8,998 and 66,479. Sum means we have to add 8,998, 6,479. Sum means you have to add. 8 plus 9, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 9 plus 8, 17. Regrouping. 7 ones and 1 tens. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 7, very easy, 17. 17 means 7 tens, 100. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 4, 14. 4 hundreds, 1,000. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 6, 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. 15,477. So now what we have to do? From the sum, so we have to subtract this one. From the sum, we have to subtract 4,913. This we have to subtract. What is the sum? 15,477 and 4,913. Then minus it. 7 minus 3. This is the bigger number, minus. No need to take, borrow or regroup. 4, 5, 6, 7. It is 4. 7 minus 1. 7 minus. If you make minus from any number, we have to get a reducer. What is the reducer? 7 reducer 6. Then 4 minus 9. It is a smaller number. We have to take borrow. So it will decrease by 1. It will increase by 10. 14. 10 plus 4, 14. Then 14 minus 9 means 10 to 14 we have to count. 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Total 5. 4 minus 4, 0 and 1. 10,564. So this is our answer. This is our answer. Now, in the next question, find the missing subtrahend minute. In some questions, subtrahend is absent. In some question, minute is absent. Here, this is first, this is second, this is third. This is first, this is second, this is third. Here, first one is minute, second one is subtrahend, the third one is difference. If subtrahend is not given, then we have to make minus. We have to make minus from minute to difference. Minute to difference, then you will get here subtrahend. When the subtrahend is not given, so then how to get this subtrahend? So you make minus from minute to difference, then you will get subtrahend. This you have to remember. First, you should write here minute 6,66,923. Then after that, difference 5,02,690. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, then lakh. What is this? This is minute. This is subtrahend. This one is difference. This is difference. Then minute and difference is given, so we are finding it here subtrahend. Make minus from this, you have to make minus this one, then you will get subtrahend. Then 3 minus 9, so 3 is a lesser, means minute is lesser, so take borrow from the next. Here, so it will decrease by 1 means 2, we get 1. Here decrease by 10, 10 plus 3, 13. 13 minus 9 means 10 to 13 we have to count. 10, 11, 12, 13. This is 4. 1 minus 1 is 0. Same number minus same number. Then 9 minus 6. It is bigger, no need to take borrow or regroup. From 7 to 9 you have to count. 7, 8, 9. It is 3. Then 6 minus 2 means 3 to 6 we have to count. 3, 4, 5, 6. It is 4. 6 minus 0 is 6. 6 minus 5 is 1. This is your minute. What is your minute here? 1,64,304. See, in this way you will get. If minute is not, subtihand is not given, so then make minus. How? From minute to difference. From minute to difference. Here, this is minute. This one is subtrahend. This one difference. Now how to find minute? How to find minute? So whenever minute is not given, just add subtrahend and difference. Then you will get minute. So what is subtrahend? 2,78,411. Then 93,084. Addition. 4 plus 1 5, 8 plus 1 9, 4 plus 0 4, 8 plus 3 11, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 is 100s and 1 tens. 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 9, 8 plus 9 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. How much? 17. 7,000 and 1, 10,000. 2 plus 1 3,71,000. What is your answer? 3,71,495. So this is the way to find your answer. If subtrahend is not given, then make minus. If minute is not given, then add. So in the remaining questions, more 2 questions were there. In the 2 questions, in some question minute is not given, in some questions subtrahend is not given. According to that you make, and you solve your question and do as your home assignment. Okay. Yes. Now students, here replace star by the correct digit. Here some digits are missing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits are missing. These 5 digits we have to replace a number. So by correct digit, using a correct digit. Then how to replace? It depends on minute and subtrahend and difference. Minute, subtrahend and difference. So then what is the procedure? What is the logic? So already before question we discussed. If minute is not given, subtrahend and difference is there, we have to add. If subtrahend is given, if subtrahend is not given, minute and difference is there, we have to subtract. These 2 things you have to keep in your brain and do. Okay, these 2 are important. Here in the first, minute is not given. Here minute is not given, subtrahend and difference is given. How we will get minute? Adding these 2. If we add these 2, you will get subtrahend. So here minute is not given. In this first, minute is not given. Then how you will get this minute? By adding subtrahend and difference. 2 plus 3, 5. It means here 5 will come. 5 minus 2 is 3. According to the rule. So minute is equal to subtrahend plus difference. That is right. Now here. Then here 3 is there. Here this 2 is given. Then how you will get this 3? This is greater than this minute value. Minute value is always greater than the subtrahend as well as the difference. It is not 2. It means it is 12. We think that it is 12. This means we should take borrow from here and 2 will get 12. Now we will get minute and difference. Minute and difference is there. If minute and difference is there, then how to find subtrahend? We have to make minus. 12 minus 3. 12 minus 3, 9. Here 9 will get. It means 12 minus 9 is 3. Now here, how we will get this minute? If we add both. Minute, how we will get minute? Subtrahend plus difference. Add these 2. 6 plus 7 is 13. So we should get here 13. 13 we are taking borrow. So means 14. 4. Here. Then after cancellation we will get 3. 13 we will get from here. Here once again. See here. 7 plus 3. 7 plus 3 is 13. 7 plus 3 13. 13 means already we are taking borrow. So we make 14. Means 4. Make first 4. So we take borrow, it will get 3. 13. So like this we have to think and we have to write. 13 minus 7 is 6. Now, here again minute is missing. Minute is missing. Then how we will get minute? How we will get minute after adding these two? That is subtrahend plus difference. 8 plus 8, 16. Here we are taking borrow, means 17 plus 7. So it means if you take 1, here 6 will left. It will get 16 from here. It will get 8. 16 minus 8 is 8. Now, 8 minus what? Means here minute is there, here subtrahend is not given and difference is there. How to get this subtrahend after make minusing? 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2, 6. That means here 6 is there. So just you think what is not given. Subtrahend is not given or minute is not given. If subtrahend is not given, then make minus from minute to difference. If minute is not given, add subtrahend and difference. Then you will get these two things, these two formulas you have to remember and do. Okay. Now what is there here? 9 7 4 2 5 4 2 5 97,425 minus 68,792. It will get 28,633. This is your answer. Missing numbers. What are the missing numbers? These two are missing numbers and this one missed. And here this one and this one. So this we found. So in this way we have to think and we have to find the missing numbers. Missing numbers. Here, missing number. How we will get this one? So it is a minor. Difference is given and subtrahend is given. Add these two. 5 plus 4, 9. Then you will get minor. That means 9 minus 4 is 5. Then here minor. Here minor is not given. Here subtrahend is given and this is given. Then add these two. Then you will get this. 8 plus 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14. So here 14, 4. Here 4. You should get 4 here. If you take borrow from here, it will get 14. Then 14 minus 8 is 6. Now it is correct. Now add these two now. You will get this 9, 10, 11, 12. Already we are taking borrow, it makes 13. It is 12 actually. If we add these two, it is 12. It is 12. But if we add, so we are taking borrow, so then we take 3, 1 increase. We have to increase 1, then 3 will get 2, 12 from borrow. 12 minus 9 is 3. Again here, 6 minus 8. 6 minus 8. 6 plus 8. Add these two, then you will get minute. 8 plus 6, 14. 14 means 15. Here we make 5. After taking borrow, here 4. We will get 14 from here. Here we will get 0. 14 minus 6 is 8. 14 minus 6 is 8. Now here 0. Here 0. 0 and 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. Here 7. 7 minus 0 is 7. Now you have to write the number. 7 lakhs 15,349 minus 6,984. If you make minus, then you will get 70,000. So 7 lakhs 8,365. 7 lakhs 8,365. So this is your answer. In this way we have to find the missing numerals. So what? This one, this one, this one, this one, and here these two also missed, that we found. Okay. Now find the blanks. Find in the blanks correctly. Here 1 is subtracted from any number, then we will get predecessor. So 47 predecessor is 46. 46, 46. 4,646 we will get predecessor. If minus, then we will get predecessor. Here 99 is there, here 98 we are getting. It means predecessor we are getting. When we will get predecessor, we make minus 1 from the number. Here 4,999 is a predecessor of 5,000. When we will get, if we make minus 1 from the number, then we will get predecessor of that number. Predecessor means one number before. Then find the predecessor of 45,000. Predecessor means we have to make 1 minus 45,000 minus 1. We will get predecessor. Now you take power from here. It will decrease by 1. Then here we will get 10. Again here it decrease by 1 and here we will get 10. Decrease by 1 and increase by 10. 10 minus 1, 9. In this row 9. In this row 9. In this row 4. In this row 4. 44,999. 45,000. Predecessor is 44,999. This is the predecessor of 45,000. Okay.